scratches on your window can be a real eyesore. But don't worry, we have some simple fixes to help you out. First, grab some white, non-gel toothpaste. This common household item can work wonders. Squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto a cotton swab. We'll use this to target the scratches. Gently rub the toothpaste over the scratch in a circular motion. The mild abrasive helps buff out small scratches. After buffing, use a damp cloth to wipe away the toothpaste. Be gentle to avoid any further scratches. Let's inspect our work. The scratch should be less visible, if not completely gone. With just a bit of toothpaste, those small scratches are no longer a problem. Your window is back to looking great. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time!